What is going on, YouTubers? Here from Maji and Jay. Today in this video, I'm about to show you a very cool little item that I got from this company, and it is called the Cplay2air. And even though the price is not the most affordable out there, I have seen some companies on Amazon with the Prime service, of course, selling the same device, but they don't have the same qualities as this particular one. The one that you guys are seeing on this video is about $160 approximately. And basically what it does is that it provides wireless CarPlay from your smartphone to your car. Now this will only work with vehicles equipped with CarPlay and Android Auto from factory. As you guys know, I own the Ram 1500. It's a 2017 model, and I got the radio from the 2018 model, but it is considered a factory radio. So for that reason, this is supported on my Ram 1500. My brother was the first one to see it. He went ahead and ordered this and tested it on his own vehicle, which is the Toyota Camry of 2018. The one that you guys have seen videos about before. He got the black model of that. I did the fog lights upgrades, and that was my mom's car. That's the burgundy color one, but my brother has the same car in black, and he tested this thing and it also works. So in order to get this functioning, again, you must make sure that your vehicle, usually 2017 and newer vehicles, they come already with CarPlay and Android Auto. So all you have to do basically is connect this to the USB port on your vehicle, then enable, of course, the Bluetooth settings here on your smartphone. So here I have my iPhone 11 Pro Max, and I go here into, I can just go here to the toggles real quick, make sure that the Bluetooth is enabled, and then after you connect this to your vehicle, which I'm going to show you in just a second, this thing will read your vehicle's information or the radio information, and it's going to create a Bluetooth connection basically for your smartphone, but you do it via CarPlay. So if we go here into general, you go into CarPlay, you're gonna see that this one or the one for the Ram 1500, it is called Ram 1556BO, and that is created once you connect this to the USB port of your vehicle. Again, it does it automatically. You don't need to do anything, and then after that you're gonna pair with it. So of course at the beginning, you're gonna see here where it says other cars, is gonna search for the CarPlay. You tap into it, and that's it, guys. It is literally that simple. So a very cool little product. I haven't shown you what comes inside of the box because of the fact that it is just the device, and you were seeing the picture all the time. So here you guys can see that you have the logos of the company, Cplay2air, and luckily on my vehicle I have the USB ports inside of that little console on the middle side, so this hides quite well. For any other make and model, you can just hide it somewhere. You just connect it on your USB port, and that's all it takes, guys. It is, again, that simple. So here I'm gonna go ahead and remove these two stickers, protective stickers. And I already did the connection inside of the vehicle, so you're gonna see this again installed on there. It's kind of funny. Sometimes I do the reverse of the video, like the end part, I do it first, and then I sit down on my desk here and complete the rest. So anyways, here we have the device. You guys can see that it is very simple all the way around. It just has here a USB port in case you want to connect still your smartphone directly. You can do so. Let me see if I can focus this a little better. So we have two notification LED lights. The blue means that you have successfully connected. If it's red, it means that it's trying to connect. So again, here we have the USB port. You can connect your smartphone directly, and this is the one that goes connected on your vehicle. And literally, guys, it is just that easy. I mean, I can't emphasize this enough. This is a very simple connection. You need absolutely no technical experience. You don't need to be a techie guy to get this set up. It is very easy, and as you guys can tell, inside of the box here we get no manuals whatsoever, because again, it is just that simple to get it set up. The website has been provided down below, so that way you guys can go ahead and check it out. But for right now, let's go to the Ram 1500 and do the installation tutorial. Alright, so here we are inside of the Ram 1500 2017 that I told you guys that I was going to do the testing with, and I also tested this on my brother's Toyota Camry. He has a 2018 with CarPlay and Android Auto as well from factory, and it did work. So Basically, all you need to do is just find your USB hub. In this case, by the way guys, the 2017 RAM doesn't come with Android Auto and CarPlay. The only reason I have it is because I upgraded the radio from a 2018 RAM 1500, which fits here with the 2017 RAM, and that's how I was able to get it. I also needed to upgrade the hub inside here. I provided a video tutorial on how to do this for those of you watching using a RAM year 2017 or older. Well, at least you know that there's a process that you need to do in order to get this working on your vehicle. But let's just assume that this was the factory radio, like with any other brand out there. Again, this works with any make, like Toyota, Nissan, Honda, you name it guys. As long as you have Android Auto and CarPlay from factory, this will be just a plug and play scenario. So basically what you do is, once your car is turned on, or it could be turned off, it doesn't matter, you go ahead and find your USB hub and you simply connect it. Now you can also choose to have it connected here directly, as I explained before. As we do have the USB port right here, you can connect it directly, and in this case we're just going to go ahead and connect it here on this USB port. And then on your vehicle, after giving it a few seconds, it will pop up and you're gonna see the software of this device coming up on the screen, and there we go. And now it is telling us that it's trying to connect. Now when you plug it into your vehicle, you see this name that says RAM 1500 slash something something on there. Well, that's going to show up once you connect it to the USB hub for the first time. So there's no setup that you need to do in order to get this working. As a matter of fact, what I'm going to do here purposely is that I am going to turn off the Bluetooth. And yes, Bluetooth needs to be enabled like I explained before, so we're going to just go ahead and disable it for now, and we're going to unplug this once more. Let's see, I'm going to unplug it and I will reconnect it, just to show you exactly what I mentioned about creating the account for you. It's not an account, it's just that it detects your vehicle, and that's how you're going to connect it to your device. So again, in this case it was the RAM 1500. So right here you can see RAM 1500 56BO. That's been read automatically by the device. So right now it is attempting to connect here to my iPhone, and it says connection failed because I turned off my Bluetooth. But here you guys can see that it also connected with my brother's iPhone, and that was using his Toyota Camry. Unfortunately, I don't have him around in order to test it. My Toyota 4Runner 2013 doesn't have that either. So you guys get the idea. All you have to do is enable your Bluetooth, and then after this you go into let me just go ahead and enable here the Bluetooth once again. It says not connected right now. Let's see, there we go. I just enabled it, as you guys can tell. So now I'm going to disconnect it again and reconnect it, just so that it goes through. But once you have this connected and it tries to search for your device, all you need to do is go here into settings on your phone, and you go into general, and then you go into CarPlay settings. Okay, and from here you can see that it read the RAM 1500 56BO. You can see it right there. So that means that it has detected it before. So usually comes down here when you are searching for cars that are available. It says other cars, but right now of course it's not going to find anything because we are already connected. So it has connected as of right now, guys, and this is really cool. Of course I'm not going to review CarPlay, but here we have maps, we have phone, we have music, and everything is working as intended. Okay, so we have let's see where I was here. We have, you know, the applications that you enabled for the radio to show when you connect to CarPlay. So again, this is you know, the basic part of it is the same as when you had it connected. You would just use it normally, but right now you guys can see that it is connected, and I don't have any wires whatsoever, and it works absolutely flawlessly. And even here on the steering wheel, I believe that if I hold it, let me see if that's correct. If I hold it, it enables Siri. Hello Siri.
I don't understand. Enable Siri. Hello Siri.
You say, yeah, I was just, you know, of course speaking, so it didn't understand what I was saying, but basically you just hold and press here the voice button, hold it, and it activates Siri for you. So all the steering wheel controls do work, which is again a plus with this device. And so far I gotta say guys that it is super easy to set up. As you can see, I have it here. It comes with some lights. Also, you can see that it is blinking blue. That means that everything was successful. And when it's not connected to anything, it'll be red, which is the one on the right side, that little dot that you see. And yeah, that's all you have to do. So now all I do here is close the lid. You see no wires whatsoever unless I want to charge my phone, and we have wireless CarPlay enabled here on my truck. Well guys, there we have it for the Cplay2air installation tutorial. As you guys can see, it was super simple, very useful, and the cool part is that it connects automatically every time you turn off your vehicle and turn it back on. You don't have to go on there in settings and do everything all over again. You just gotta make sure that your Bluetooth again is enabled on your smartphone, otherwise it's gonna try to search for your device and it's not going to pair. If that happens, then all you do, again, come back here to your smartphone, enable the Bluetooth. You may have to disconnect it from the USB port, reconnect it, and your radio is going to read it automatically. Very easy to do, very useful. It is definitely something that I will keep on my vehicle. Very safe to do, and it doesn't cause any problems with the stock operating system or the stock radio that came with your vehicle. So again, very, very cool. Let me know down below what you guys think about this little product. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share, and I'll see you guys on my next one.